Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Purva Panwalkar and I am a certified Vedic maths trainer. I conduct batches for class 4 students onwards, and these batches are divided into 3 groups, the basic, intermediate and advanced, depending upon the class of the learner. So if you are interested in finding out more details, please feel free to write down to me in the comment section down below. Now we have started covering some topics which are comparatively basic and are used wide across from the lower classes to the higher grades. That is finding the cube of numbers, where we are expected to find the cubes of numbers, and the numbers could be as simple as a double-digit number or a 3-digit number. So today the Vedic mathematics sutra that we will be using is called as the Nikhilam Sutra, which has a wide variety of uses and is very widely used in subtraction, division, multiplication of numbers, where we have a number which is close by to the base. Now, when I refer or say the word base, I mean the number is either 10, power of 10, that is 100,000, 10,000, etc. Or it can be a multiple of 10 like 20, 50, 500, 6,000 also. So without wasting any further time, let us start finding the cubes of numbers using the Nikhilam Sutra. So the first number which we will find the cube of is 23 cube. Now, upon just observing the number, I realize that 23 is close to the number 20. So my base becomes 20. Now I realize that the actual base is 10, and this 20 is a multiple of 10. So 2 in this case becomes my sub base. So I will write it down here on the side. Sub base is 2. Now the next important step is, after I find the base, after I find the sub base, my third important step is finding the deviation, or in common mathematical language as it is called as, is the difference. How far away is my number from the base? So 23 minus 20 is equal to 3. So my deviation is going to be 3. So these two numbers are going to be important when I find the cube of the number, or cube of any number for that matter. The the sub base and the deviation play a very important role. Now this, while we are finding the answer, we are going to divide the final answer into 3 different parts. So the first term, as you call it, is 23 plus 2 into 3, that is 2 into 3 is 2 is the subbase, multiplied by the deviation, multiplied by the square of the subbase. This becomes my first term. Then in my second term, I multiply 3 with the deviation square into 2. And my third and the final term becomes the cube of the deviation. So when I solve these terms, 23 plus 6, 23 plus 2 twos are 6 into 4 plus 3 threes are 9. 9 threes are 27 into 2 is 54, and the cube of 3 is 27. Now, as we move ahead, before we move ahead, my actual base, which is 10, has only one digit in the 10. So my last digit can have only one number. So this 2 is added to the previous number. So my first term becomes 7. My second term, which is 54, becomes 54 plus 2, which is 56. And again, this 5 will be further added on this side. So 23 plus 6 is 29 into 4. So when I further solve this, it comes out to be just hold on for a moment. It comes out to be 29 into 4. So 29 into 4 is 116. This 5 from the second term is added here. The 6 and the 7 stay as it is now. So 116 plus 5 gives me 121. Second term is 6 and the final term is 7. So my final answer of cube of 23 comes out to be 12167. So you all must have realized that otherwise tedious time-consuming process of finding the cube of numbers has become so simple, so easy. So let us understand and get better with what we did in the second example. So now I find the cube of 56. So now in this case, my base becomes 10 again. My sub base becomes 5. My deviation 56 minus 50, which comes out to be 6. So again, my two important numbers to be focused on will stay here at the top corner. So my first term is 56 plus 2 into deviation into square of the sub base becomes my first term. Then second term is 3 into deviation square into the sub base, and my third term comes out to be the cube of 6. So once I solve this first term, it comes out to be 1400 plus 300. My second term, when I solve it, comes out to be 540, and the cube of 6 is 216. Now again, please note that my base has only single digit. So the 21 is going to be added here. So 540, my third term, now I will start solving from the right hand side. My third term is 6. Now 540 plus 21 gives me 561. Again, I am writing the 1700, which is solution of this. Now again, coming back to the basic, my base has only 1 0, so the middle digit is also going to have a single 0. So the 56 will be added to the 1700. So 1756. My second term is 1 and my third term is 6. So my final cube of 56 comes out to be 175,616. Now you all must have realized that my finding the cube with the help of the Nikhilam Sutra, where the numbers are close to the base, and solving it becomes so easy, and the calculations are on the tip of my fingers. So I hope you all have liked this method. If you all have liked this method, I request you all to share it with your friends and family. I also urge you all to subscribe to my channel, because I know you all watch my videos, but you all are not subscribing. So don't do that. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, because your one increase in the subscription gets me motivated, gets me on my toes to find such interesting methods for all of you. So bye-bye and have a nice day.